Hello, this is how I like to make cupcakes from a box cake mix. So you will need eggs, oil, and water, and something to measure. I use the Betty Crocker. You can use whatever cake mix you like. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you'll line your cupcake pans with cupcake liners. Pour your cake mix in a bowl, then measure your water. You'll want to do it from eye level to get it right. Pour in your water, then measure your oil the same way at eye level. Pour in your oil. I like to crack my eggs in a different little bowl so I know that no shells will get in the batter. Pour your eggs in. Then you will mix for how long your box says. Mine was 2 minutes. And this is how you scrape the sides as you go so it gets all mixed evenly. After 2 minutes, you're ready to go and pour in your cupcakes. Batter in. You can scrape the bottom with a spatula to not make too big of a mess. Keep going until all your cupcake liners are about 2/3 full. I pat the bottom to get any air bubbles out. Then I put them in the oven for how long the box says. You can use a toothpick to see if they're done. This is what it means by it comes out clean. There's no cake batter. Cool on a cooling rack for at least 15 minutes. If you don't have a cooling rack, you can just cool on the counter. Then you can frost and put sprinkles on them if you wish. I hope your cupcakes come out amazing. You can do it. I believe in you. If you fail, don't give up. Keep trying and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.